Welcome to Junction. Today I am sharing the tutorial of winter tangrams. I have already shared other seasonal tangrams like summer tangrams, spring, autumn, monsoon, and also other tangrams for Easter, Christmas, Halloween, and many more. In this video, I have shown 24 different tangram shapes for the winter season. The timestamps of each tangram shape is given in the description box. Do subscribe to Junction and press bell icon to get notified of the new videos. Let's begin the winter tangrams. Mountains. Mountains covered in snow are popular destinations for winter travel and activities like skiing and mountain climbing. Tangram shape of a mountain belt. A tangram penguin. Penguins are charismatic. They are so endearing for their unusual gait, graceful swimming, and lack of fear of humans. This is a tangram shape of a penguin swimming. Penguins are master navigators. They are as clever as they are cute. They are graceful swimmers. A tangram igloo. Igloos are dome-shaped shelters made from snow and ice. Snowflakes. They are a classic symbol of winter and the Christmas season. They have hexagonal pattern and many branches. However, no two snowflakes are exactly alike because each follow a different path from sky to ground. Wreath. They are used as decoration on the front door, windows, and mantles. Although wreaths can be used throughout the year, they grew increasingly popular as festive ornament for Christmas and other holidays. Snowman. Snowmen have been winter traditions for centuries and a holiday icon for Christmas. Building a snowman is a timeless winter activity for families. You can also add other details like I have shown in the picture here. Tangram shape of an ice skater. Many winter sports and activities take place on ice or snow, ice skating being one of them. Child on a sled. Activities like sledding, skiing offer a fun and exciting way for children to enjoy the winter season during snow days when school is out. Sleigh. Santa Claus sleigh is a well-known symbol for Christmas festivities. Sleighs are pulled by horses or in the case of Santa Claus by reindeer. Winter coat. Winter wear like coats, jackets, caps, scarves, gloves, socks, boots are usually worn to keep us warm. Tangram shape of winter boot. Hope you are enjoying this video and finding it helpful. Do give it a like and subscribe to Junction. A tangram winter cap. Teapot. Set up a cozy winter tea party, brewing tea in a teapot and mugs with tea bags, accompanied with lovely treats like cakes. A tangram cup and saucer. A cup of hot tea or cappuccino can be a pleasure drink during winters. A cup of hot chocolate. No matter how chilly the winter gets, a cup of hot chocolate always energizes us. A Tangram kettle. The best appliance for a chilly winter would be an electric kettle. It lets you easily boil water to prepare warm drinks and foods. Christmas tree. The Christmas tree is one of the most loved and popular symbols of the Christmas festival. It represents positivity, cheerfulness, and the spirit of optimism in the otherwise dull winter weather. A Tangram candle. Candles are a part of traditional holiday decorations. Many ancient traditions involve lighting candles during the winter, including Diwali and Christmas. Polar bear. They are most active and productive during winter season. It is a better time to do their hunting. Arctic hare. They have a white coat that helps them camouflage in the snow. One more penguin tangram shape. Another tangram shape of mountain. Hope you enjoyed watching the tutorial of making different tangram shapes of the winter season. Give it a like. Leave a comment. I would be glad to receive your feedback. Do subscribe to Hemsjunction for more Tangram videos. Sharing few video links here. You may like to check them out too. Thank you for visiting my channel.